Would you look at this poor piece of machinery? Before we jump into today's video, I'm gonna clean this thing off, get it on this stand, and then we're gonna revive it. This thing cleans up pretty nice when it's not covered in dust and oil from this go-kart being above it.
What's up guys, my name is Jacob Sherwood. Thank you for tuning in to another drift kart video. Today, I'm gonna be reviving this X-Race kart and putting the Predator 212 that belongs on it back on.
As you can see, the front end is completely taken apart, tie rods hanging everywhere, along with our little angle kits that we put on these things to make them slide. I'm gonna go ahead and take the engine from this go-kart over here and put it on this one, because that's actually the engine that was bought with it. So,
to give you guys a little background of this kart, it's actually an old Fernando Alonso racing kart that was originally wrecked. They put it on a chassis bender and just could not get it back to normal, so they retired it. And that's actually perfect for what we do because we just make them drift, and you know, the camera unfortunately died, so I switched to my phone for a sec.
I'm gonna be taking the engine from my kart to put on this kart, which is gonna be super easy because we've already got it started. We took the chain off already, and then we got the engine mount that's off. So all I need to do is take off the throttle cable and she'll be ready to put on the other kart.
Big upside of stealing the engine from my kart is I know it runs because I literally drove this thing last week. So it should make the transition over a lot easier.
Let's go. Literally just taking it from one kart, putting on the other one. No shame. This kart has a lot more room, which is awesome. Wish mine had more room. Man, I forgot how nice this thing is. Because this used to be a 125 two-stroke racing engine that was actually water-cooled, if you see that mount over there, we have to max out the engine mount all the way to the left if you're facing at it. And just like that, quickest little engine swap you ever did see.
I swear, I've said it before and I'll say it again. These drift karts are a poor man's drift car. The work to fun ratio is amazing, and we're gonna have this thing running in less than 30 minutes. Mark my words.
Start here first, folks. Clean whip. Clean. Always love the colorway on this kart. So flashy, just as these race karts are.
All right, guys, we're back on the camera. This thing is finally done, so let's take a look.
We got the front end all squared away with the angle kit, so now this thing is hitting max angle. I don't know if you can tell, but this thing is pretty sideways, so it's definitely ready to shred now. The engine is all tightened down. Got the chain wax on, so everything's flowing good. Have not checked the brakes though. Let's see. Yeah, well, they still stopped it, so I'm sure they're fine. So let's start this thing up. Like I said, I'm not too worried about this thing starting up. I think it's gonna run fine. All right. Like I thought, she runs perfect. If only it wasn't raining outside, we'd go shred. But the last step to this equation would just be putting some PVC on. But, you know, no reason to do that because we can't drive it today. However, we are gonna get some driving videos here pretty soon.
So unfortunately, due to the rain outside, I do have to keep this video short and sweet, but I just wanted to get something out there to let you guys know that I am still working on these things, and I do plan to drop a lot of content this summer. The next video you guys will probably see on this car is installing the PVC and then going to shred. So until next time, make sure you guys follow my Instagram page at JDM Drift Kart. I'll also be putting that link in the description below. I'm gonna be putting all of my content on there as far as the daily builds and just little stuff we do on the side. So thank you for watching again. Peace out.
Let me get this. Yeah, get clapped, kid.
Oh, you already got it.
Yeah, get clapped.